How to create an email input field. Select your page node, press Add New Element, select Email. You can rename it by double-clicking on its name. Make it optional by pressing Optional. Add a caption by pressing Caption. Add a description by pressing Description. Add a placeholder by pressing Placeholder. Visible in result data is pre-select, and this means that the data your user will put into the email field will later be visible in the result data. Let's have a look at what we created. Press Save and Preview. A new tab will open and we will see the email field that we created. Here's our caption. That's the email field with the placeholder. And here is the description we added. Your users can now put their email into the email field. Let's have a look at the Advanced section. Press Advanced to open a drop-down menu. You can change the responsiveness according to the device your users are using. Add a style by adding a class tag. Add a validation by using a custom regex. Set a default value by using system variables, free text, or reference other users' inputs. Add comments or add a condition. Select Active If, press Create a Condition, press Add a Condition, choose a variable or a user input, for example, the email field. Select Equal and select another system variable. That's it for the email input field. Thank you for watching.